Hey everybody, Steve, AH360, also Auto Hitch. I'm here with Skip Dana, captain of Surreal. We're right now in Key West. Is there a particular spot we're in, Skip, that people might know geographically besides Key West, or I think that covers it?
Well, we're down here fishing Final Sail, and we're actually fishing in an area called Merritt Shoal right now. And as you can see, it's absolutely slick calm. So we've got the kites up with big helium balloons. And so far, we're 3 for 3 so far today. Possibly saw another fish up in the spread. And so far, we're in the lead for the daily. It was the same conditions yesterday. We were 0 for 2 yesterday. Had some bad luck on a couple of bites, and had one window shopper. Remember, what's a window shopper? It's when a sailfish comes up and loops around your baits and doesn't eat. A lot of times, that's a fish that's been caught already. You know, their natural reaction is to come in the spread and try to eat again. But I think they see what got them in trouble the last time, so they kind of fade off. But no, we're kind of doing our thing. Not much of a bite to it. I think there's only been about 15 fish caught today. And it's really random. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. They just pop up on us and go.
And it was like it was yesterday, slow.
Very, very random. I think there was 28 or 29 fish caught yesterday. I think the last number was 32 or 5, something like that. So not a lot of fish.
And it's obviously not, and it's the end of the season for sailfish.
This is the end of our season.
Not ideal weather.
Not ideal weather right now. We're supposed to get good weather on Saturday. But believe it or not, the fish are still biting really good at home. You know, from Boca to Miami, there's a lot of fish there. I don't know why those fish haven't been sapped. Only those fish are here by now. But Key West is normally either red hot fishing or really slow.
Yeah,
right now we're getting the really slow.
Yeah.
But normally, I mean, there's tons of meat fish around. You know, we get all kinds of tunas and wahoos and cobias. Normally you can't keep baits in the water. It's just been really slow. So we're supposed to get really good conditions on. Watch that right shore, guys. We're supposed to get really good conditions on Saturday. The wind's supposed to come right out of the east, which is ideal for us. East wind here is kind of like our north wind at home. So the fish will actually start to tail, especially if it gets a little choppy. Could be, line up for some really epic fishing.
And it's a shorter day, right? Only 2?
Shorter day, you're only fishing until 2.
So this is a 3-day tournament. And it's the final one, like I said, it's the final of the season for the sailfish for the Quest for the Crest.
Yep, the final tournament of the Quest for the Crest series. And we did okay in that. I think we're sitting in about 7th or 8th in that.
That's not bad. Out of how many start? I guess they don't all finish. Right?
Everybody starts. You start with 45, and then it whittles down. Whoever fishes all the tournaments. So, of all the boats that are down here, I think we're sitting in like 5th or 6th, 7th place, something like that. But we kind of screwed the pooch in a couple tournaments. We didn't do as well as we needed to. But that's how it goes. We'll be ready to rock for next year.
You can still win some good money this year.
Absolutely.
Sure.
We're still in the running for they do a Calcutta for the Quest for the Crest, so we're still in the running for that. And then we're still in the running for the tournament itself. It's wide open. I think the top boat has 6. We're sitting with 3. There's one boat with 5, another boat with 4, and there's a bunch of boats with 3. I would say a bunch. There's probably 4 boats with 3, including us. Come on. That's how it goes.
All right. So I got the camera mounted here with Skip up in the tower.
Hopefully I'll remember to turn it on next time.
Well, given everything going on yesterday, minds were in other places. But today we're a little bit more excited, so let's try to get one on. We're going to try to get one on film. Skip knows how to turn the camera on, so hopefully I'll be able to get you guys some footage up here and down there of sailfish on and a release.